Tenant check-in day here in Hagerstown. This is my single family unit up here, and just had a tenant move out about a week ago. Turn this thing over and already have somebody moving back in. This is probably the fastest turn that I've ever had. It helped that the last tenant left it in phenomenal shape. So I'm gonna get this thing turned around. We'll go do the walkthrough with these folks, and then we got a new tenant. All right, outside. Front porch is good. Got a couple of chips on it. Nothing crazy. A little bit of rust, but nothing bad. Definitely something to keep an eye on right there. But overall, everything looks good in here. And into the living room. Walls need a little paint, but they're okay with it. Floors are in good shape. Windows, doors, screens are all in good shape. Smoke detectors are all in good shape. Dining room. Everything is good here. Shades, blinds, windows, screens are good. The bathroom. Good. Good. Toilet's good. Water's good. All right, in the kitchen, everything is in good working order. We've already tested everything. Sink is good. Under the sink is good. Refrigerator is good. Window's good. Counter's good. The stovetop is a little dirty, so we noted that. And the ceiling is a little dirty here as well, but they're okay with it. Inside is all good. They're all good here. We got their keys, 2 front door, 2 back door. Cabinetry is good. Let's go check out the bedrooms and the upstairs bathroom. And I gotta use a flashlight in here because the tenant did not get the power transferred over. But everything in here is in great shape. And down in that corner down there, we do need to recalk, which has been noted. And we'll start on bedroom number 3. Everything is good. Blinds are good, windows, screens are good. Screens, windows, blinds are good. Bedroom number 2. And we do have a little bit of staining on the carpet there. Walls a little bit dirty, which everything has been notated. Blinds good, window screens good. Windows are good. And one thing I do need to do is take this off. I was not allowed to have this for the prior tenant because they were Section 8. But now that I have a non-Section 8 tenant in here, they can have access to it. And I noted the blinds here are not in the greatest of shape, but we're good there. I got the extra screens in the closets here. Closet's good. We're good. And that window screen's busted, but there is a backup to go in there. And exterior, we have our HVAC unit there. Everything is good. And trash can, recycling can. Patio is in good shape. And they don't have access, but cellar is good. I just walked down there. Everything looks to be good. And everything out here is also good. And we already checked the shed the other day, and that is good. I'll just document what condition it's in on the outside real quick. All right. And there we have it. Very happy tenants. They are super excited. I'm super excited to have them because I've dealt with some really not great tenants. Not in this house. I had a great tenant in this house. I actually moved this tenant to another one of my properties, so it worked out pretty well. Now, we're off to the next appointment. Unfortunately, I gotta go do a tenant checkout now, but I do have another unit coming available.